Being a heavy baker, I was looking for a food processor which would be sturdy, which would have high wattage because I wanted something which I can run for longer duration without it getting overheated. I did find many food processors, but I realized that most of them had maximum wattage of about 700 watts. So 700 watts means that if I am making a dough and if I want to run the machine for about 8 to 10 minutes, I really cannot do it. Then another problem that I was facing was that not all of them had the attachments that I was looking for. That means I needed to buy two different machines to do the same thing. So I saw Bajaj, I saw B&D, I saw Philips. Nothing, not a single brand was there which could meet my needs. So I can run it for about 8 minutes, 15 minutes, and you don't even feel that the machine is working. It does not even get heated up. It does not start shaking. It's so wonderful. Because I make my ice cream in it. Making ice cream means 15 minutes of continuous running of machine. I make heavy bread doughs in it, which means 8 minutes of running, and that's like heavy running of the machine. And I love its tools. If you see the whisk, it's so broad, strong and sturdy. Every tool, every attachment is made up of pure stainless steel. And see the dough hook, it's so sturdy. Another good thing about this food processor is that all the attachments are so easy to attach and remove. If you want to change the blades, you just change them so easily. This is for chopping. Then if I want to cut the julienne, so this blade goes in. Another wonderful thing about it is that it has got 4 power outlets. So this is this bowl attachment. Then you have this power outlet where you can attach the meat mincer and pasta attachments. These attachments do not come along with the processor. Those have to be bought. This particular power outlet for processors like this and blenders. This is here for the liquidizer. Mill is there to grind dry masalas. The most amazing part is that you can use all the power outlets together. So I can knead my dough here while I grind my cinnamon. And if you see, this is working, this is also working, this is working, and if I put an attachment here, this too is working. It's really a sturdy machine. When I'm making a dough, this thing does not move, it just stays, and it does not make a lot of noise. Otherwise, I've seen other dough making machines, there are separate dough making machines where I've seen they make a lot of noise. This machine has international warranty, so even if I move out of India today, its warranty is valid all across the world. If I want to bring some attachments for this machine from outside India, then I can do that. For example, I'm not very happy with the glass liquidizer. The reason being that it is very heavy. I find it very heavy and I'm very scared when I'm washing it. I feel I'm going to break it one of these days. So now Kenwood has an option for steel liquidizer also, but unfortunately right now it is not available in India. I can add about 20-30 attachments more to it. So that one can work around as per your requirement. Like I am actually thinking of getting a pasta maker attachment because I am keen on making pastas at home. I already have ice cream attachment in which you can make really fabulous smooth ice creams at home. In any electronic item, I feel after sales service is really important. Fortunately, I've tested that also of Kenwood and I'm really happy with that.